What's good? Welcome back to Investing with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're gonna go over Polygon, guys. Currently we're sitting at $1.04. We're up about 0.25% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 6.58 billion, and the 24-hour volume has come way down, guys, to 289 million. I believe in my last Polygon video we were up around 500 million, so we've really seen a large decrease in volume here. So let's hop into it, guys. So we'll start here on the weekly just to show you guys that Polygon is one of the stronger projects, as I've been saying, as we're still just coming down to the 20 EMA. We still haven't broken the 20 EMA. We've broken the 20 EMA with Bitcoin, and we still haven't with Polygon. So it does follow very closely here with Ethereum. But it does show the strength of this project. All right, guys, so let's hop into the daily chart. So I talked about our symmetrical triangle. We have our larger descending wedge and we have our symmetrical triangle, and we did fall out of it. As you can see here, we're backtesting as resistance. Now if we lose this $1 level of support, that strong level of support that we've been backtesting many times at $1, if we do lose it, our technical target is down here at 87 cents. We're underneath the EMAs. We've had the bearish cross, and the 20 EMA is pushing the price downwards. We're continuing to see a decrease in volume, which of course can lead to a spike in volume. But I mean, a couple of days ago we were at 500 million. Now we're at 200 million. So we're shaking out the weak hands. All right, guys, so let's hop into the 4-hour chart. But a quick shout out to today's video sponsor, Crypto.com, which recently partnered with the UFC. UFC partners with Crypto.com. Sources say $175 million deal is MMA firm's largest sponsorship. The UFC's largest sponsorship was with Crypto.com. That's absolutely insane. So we're just going to read this a little bit and we'll hop right back into the video. So the cryptocurrency exchange Crypto.com has revealed the company has entered a partnership with Ultimate Fighting Championship, the UFC, as the firm's global first kit partner. Reports stemming from people familiar with the matter say the partnership is a 10-year deal worth $175 million and the UFC's largest sponsorship deal to date. Guys, think about how massive this is for Crypto.com. They're literally going to have their logo just spread out all across the UFC, and it's going to bring some serious recognition for them. So UFC names Crypto.com first ever global fight kit partner. The digital currency firm Crypto.com is partnered with the UFC and will be the mixed martial arts organization's global kit partner. This means the Crypto.com brand will be featured on UFC fighter uniforms, and the brand will be shown this Saturday, July 10th, during the fight between Dustin Poirier and Conor McGregor. Wow, this is massive, guys. And I pulled up a little bit of a photo. Look at that, Crypto.com right on the jersey itself. So this is going to bring some massive recognition for Crypto.com for their coin Crow. So it's a terrific time to hop on board. You can sign up through my referral and receive $25 in crypto just for signing up. So let's get back into the video here. So we're here on the 4-hour chart, guys, and I talked about us being low on the RSI. We're trending towards oversold, and we may see a bounce, and that's exactly what happened. We've seen a little bit of a bounce. Now we are still underneath the EMAs, and we may hit that 20 EMA here as a major level of resistance, but we're going to pop it open to the 1-hour chart to show you guys a little bit of a reversal pattern here. So we're going to open it up. We're going to close the RSI, and we're going to open up the chart. So the reversal pattern here is a little bit of a double bottom. So let me take my brush out here. We came down, we made a bottom, we made a second bottom, and we've already broken the neckline. All right, guys, so I'm going to quickly drop in the neckline here for you and just show you guys a breakout target. Hope you guys are well. Let me know how you're doing in the comments. I'd love to hear. So your breakout target here from our double bottom is back up here at $1.05, and you can see we've started to break out. Now there is shady volume to keep an eye on, guys. We have not seen a nice increase in volume. My door is like swinging open and closed, and it's really freaking me out. But that would be a nice little trade here of about 1.75% here for Matic, but keep an eye on the volume, guys. We're still having quite shady volume, and we are coming up to hit some resistance here on the 55 EMA, which is something to keep an eye on as well. So we do have those levels of resistance I dropped in our last video at $1.06 and $1.10. I dropped the level of resistance right around $1.10. You can see all the resistance in this area. However, guys, we have fallen out of our symmetrical triangle here, and if we lose that $1 level of support, then we can come down to 87 cents. But what can happen is you have a bit of a fake out and you come back up into the pattern, which I'll draw right now, where you come back up into the pattern, and then you see that breakout to the upside, which would be absolutely massive, and we'd have to get back above those levels of resistance that I had dropped in here at $1.06 and $1.10. Just gonna move this up a little bit, and then if we do see that breakdown, if we do lose that $1 support, guys, do expect that technical target is down here at about 87 cents, and we have that swing high that I had dropped in the last video, which is at about 94 cents. So in that range, we're still seeing that decrease in volume. So if that continues, do expect us to come down. We're really waiting to see that spike in volume. It's been long, it's been boring, it's been hard to watch, but it's a great time to accumulate on the dips, guys. There's so many whales that are accumulating right now, especially with Bitcoin. And coins like Ethereum, XRP, Cardano, and Polygon are your big boys, are your really strong projects. All right, guys. So we'll end the video here with those future price targets based off the Fibonacci. So we have the $3.81, we have the $4.65, the $6, and that guesstimate at $10. The $6 is the 1.618 extension from the Fibonacci. All right, guys. So that's it for this one, guys. Many whales are accumulating right now. It's a great time, in my opinion, to accumulate coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, the strong ones, XRP, Cardano, Polygon, and even the other altcoins. I know it's a little bit shady it's a little bit scary to buy those right now, but if you do believe in the project, if we do see Bitcoin continue on this bull run, it may take the altcoins a little bit longer to catch up, but of course we will see the altcoins follow. All right, guys. So if you got any value, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, check out the Discord. Over 1,000 members talking all things crypto, great crypto community. We also have rooms for penny stocks and stocks as well. All right, guys. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Much love. Take care. Peace.